Hi guys, we're here to teach you some earnest techniques like
12 striking technique, single senawali, and double senawali.
okay,
Let's do it!
Salutation or saludo. Salutation or saludo, this way to give courtesy or sign of a true gentleman, which begins with handa position followed by pugay. Here's the procedure of handa position, followed by pugay position. Struggle leg stance. This stance is commonly applied for blocking the strides to the sides of the body. Handa, June, struggle. Striking techniques. The proper way to strike is hitting the vital points. With the bars with different techniques. Here's the 12 vital striking points of the body. First strike is left temple. Next, the right temple. And the third one is left shoulder. The fourth, right shoulder. Next one, striking technique, the stomach. And next one, left chest thrust. Next, right chest thrust. And next, left knee. Next one, right knee. Next striking technique, the left eye poke. Next one, right eye poke. The last striking technique is the head or crown technique. Here's the striking techniques, the actual performance of 12 vital striking points of the body.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Single senawali technique. Single senawali is the act of striking or weaving. Procedure for single senawali. Swing the stick to strike the opponent's temple. First strike. Withdraw the stick. Strike the stick to the opponent's knee. Second strike. Withdraw the stick and position it in the shoulder. Swing the stick to strike the opponent's temple. Third strike. Withdraw the stick. Strike the stick to the opponent's knee. Fourth strike. Withdraw the stick and position it to the shoulder. Continue doing this by counting 1 to 10. This is the single senawali technique. And this is the actual performance of single senawali technique. This is the double senawali technique. Procedure for double senawali technique. Starting position. First strike. Second strike. Third strike. Fourth strike. Fifth strike. And last, sixth strike. No. Repeat the thing from right to left, then left to right. This is the actual performance of double senawali.
Hello guys, I'm Alexis Garcia.
I'm Gol Nabansa.
And the goal is that.
So guys, thank you for watching our video. Hope you like it. God bless and good luck.